Hello, Investy Besties. Welcome back to the channel. So if you are new or if you are a returning Investy Bestie, please go on and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and join us. We are very open and we talk all things money and investing and ways to build our wealth. So I know you guys saw the thumbnail. Yes, your Investy Bestie, moi, will be participating in Vlogmas Finance Edition, okay? So I am going to come with content, with videos up until Christmas Day, with some motivation to keep you inspired, to make sure you are sticking to your budget, and don't forget your financial goals, because we are almost at the end of this year, guys. We did not come this far to let Christmas sales or overspending or anything of the like derail us. Okay, we worked too hard this year. We have been consistent and focused and very determined, and we are going to close out this year with a bang, and your Investy Bestie will be here to motivate you on this journey. Okay, so I am going to be doing a modified version, because let me just tell y'all, your Investy got children who is in choir and band and plays, and Christmas time is a very hectic time of the year for me. But I figure, you know what, I'm going to do a modified version, and I'm calling this Vlogweekmas. Now, I know that's not a word, I know, but I'm going to create a word, and it's going to be called Vlogweekmas. I'm going to be coming to you guys Monday through Friday up until Christmas Day at 5 p.m. Eastern, and I'm going to either premiere the video or just post it, so you have to stay tuned, and you guys are going to really love some of the stuff I have planned for you guys. A lot of special goodies involved in the mix, so you have to make sure you tune in to this channel during Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. Eastern, up until Christmas Eve, okay? And we're going to just talk about so many things. I am going to still do the portfolio updates and the Invest With Me's. I am going to continue with the easy, beginner-friendly investing content. I'm also going to give you like a crash course in wealth building. I'm going to help you make sure you have the right set of goals going into next year, attainable goals, helping you to, think a little bit and really understand where do you want to go and where do you want your money to go. So, your Investy Bestie, I'm going to be here. I'm going to be here, and I hope that you guys will be here with me too. This is my first time doing something like this, but I felt like, with all of the different Vlogmas videos that are out there, it would be so nice to have a finance edition, because it is very easy to overspend during the holidays. It is very easy to justify overspending during the holidays, but you know what? I'm going to be there in your ear like, that's not in the budget. Oh, we got goals. We're trying to buy a house, okay? We're trying to get our credit score up. We're trying to start investing consistently. And I just want to come on and let you guys know that, yes, I'm going to be participating. If you would love to join me in this, it's not even a collab. It's just like Vlogweekmas is what I'm calling it. Just a modified version. Just let me know down below if you want to participate. But again, I am so excited, guys. I have all of my videos already written out. I have some of them filmed already, and you guys are going to really love some of this content that is coming. Okay, I am so excited about Vlogmas. It is my favorite time of the year. Look, I have my little earrings, my little gift earrings, because y'all see those, my little reindeer brooch, my red on. I love Christmas time, but I also love making sure we have our financial goals in check, in order. And speaking of that, how are you guys doing with your $1 a day investing challenge? My baby Cakes, she is doing so good with hers, y'all. Y'all are going to be so proud of your internet niece. She is just being consistent. She is stopping at the store a couple of days a week, because teenagers are teenagers. But she's still just making her crossing out her little hands and giving me her $1 bills. And I do have her $1 bills. Let me count it. So, because she watched my videos, so boo, look, mommy is counting your money, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and she told me to say shmoney. Sorry, shmoney. Y'all know teens. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3. 23 bucks my baby gave me. And look, my boo, she's going to be a millionaire. I told y'all this. She's going to be a millionaire before she's 30 years old, because we are getting her started right now. And remember, December's investing trackers will be up on the site on Black Friday, and I am going to have a sale. You'll see it right there, so that way you can go ahead and get some of your favorite trackers, spreadsheets, some of the services. If you want a one-on-one, you'll be able to use that code for those days only. So yes, I am so excited about Vlogmas. I've been saying it all night, like Vlogweekmas, Vlogweekmas, Vlogweekmas. So hashtag Vlogweekmas. And so So yeah, I'm going to be coming back here, guys. We're going to be doing a thing. So again, my first video will be posted up for Vlogmas next Wednesday. So I have a couple of videos in between then, but like I said, Vlogmas for me will start December 1st, which is a Wednesday. That's next week. So stay tuned for that video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave me a comment down below. Do you participate in Vlogmas? Even if you don't, do you watch many Vlogmas videos? I'm really trying to make sure that I tailor a lot of my content to a lot of my audience, my supporters, which are you guys. Okay, again, thank you so much for all the love, for shouting out the channel, for sharing the channel with your family and friends, for participating in the challenges, for joining me and supporting my business. I really do appreciate you. And don't forget to get your free retirement plan worksheet. It is up on the website and it will be free through the end of the year, so that way you can take some time during this holiday break and really think about your goals, because like I said before, if you plan on being alive, you want to make sure that you have something to live off of and that you don't have to rely on the government, because the government can be a little okay. So again, guys, I will see you for my first official Vlogmas video next Wednesday, and until then, I'll see you on the next one. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving and eat lots of yummy food, and make sure you try to unplug and spend time with your family. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.